Okay, so I'm going to be taking you through very quickly how to create a new Photoshop document. So most of the time with Photoshop, you'll be working with existing images, so opening an image and then working on it from there. But sometimes you're going to want to create a brand new document and then work on maybe importing images and so on. So I have a web page open here which gives me some Instagram sizes, recommended sizes for Instagram photos. So I'm just going to take the top one here, which is a square photo. So I quite like the Instagram square photos, and it says here aspect ratio 1:1, which is square pixels basically, and then the post size 1080 by 1080 pixels, or 1080 by 1080 pixels. So back in Photoshop, I'm going to go to create new. Okay, so this is your welcome screen that comes up when you have no documents open. Create new. Now here you need to decide what your intent is at the top here. So we have print, photo, art and illustration, web, mobile, and so on. So this is not going to be for print because it's Instagram. So I'm going to choose, well, web or mobile will work for us, but mobile is going to have these presets for different types of phones. So I'm going to rather go with web, and then over here on the side, I can now enter my specific sizes. So it doesn't have an Instagram square image template here or preset. So I'm going to call this Instagram square photo. And then I'm going to leave the measurements, the units of measure on pixels, because we're dealing with screens here, not print. And I'm going to set the width to 1080 and the height to 1080. So because it's square, it doesn't really matter whether it's the orientation is landscape or portrait, it will be the same. So I'm just going to put it on portrait. Resolution is 72. Now it's important to remember that when you're dealing with screen images as opposed to print images, resolution actually doesn't matter because your device will handle the resolution. Every device has a different pixel per inch resolution. So what's actually the most important is the pixel dimensions, which is width and height. The resolution, it doesn't really matter what value I put in there. So I'm just going to leave it at 72. Let Photoshop handle that. Everything else here has been optimized for screen. So the RGB color mode is the correct color mode for screen images as opposed to print. Yes, I want a white background as opposed to a different color background or a transparent background. And then I'm going to leave everything else as it is and definitely square pixels. And then I'm going to say create. And you can see it's made an artboard called artboard 1. And it's put one layer in there, and this image will be the correct size now. So now I'm going to go to File, Save As. And I'm just going to pop this on my desktop, and it's already named it as Instagram Square Photo.psd. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time.